Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to replace VLOOKUP with SumProduct function. Okay, what I have here is the data of countries and their respective sales here. Okay, I have about 247 countries and their respective sales. Okay, now what I have here is that I am going to have a lookup to find a particular country. Okay, so how to do a lookup? Okay, probably I will delete this. Okay, so I'm going to have a particular country to have a lookup. For example, I will put Albania. Okay, so how to get Albania's sales by VLOOKUP, which is 1921. Okay, the corresponding sales of Albania. Okay, I will use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP needs a lookup value, which is the given country. This is the value we are going to look it up in the full source data. So it is Albania. Okay, then the table array is nothing but the whole set of source data. Okay, so VLOOKUP is going to take this country name, which is a G3, which is Albania, and it is going to check it in the source data in the leftmost column, not all the data, only in the leftmost column, whether this country name is available in the country list. If it is there, then it has to return the value in the second column, which is sales. Okay, so column index number is 2. We want the second column's value. And what kind of match we are going to do is we want to do a exact match. We want a country name exactly match the country name in the list, which is exact match, which is false. So you can also put 0, enter. So it brings a 1921, which is the Albania's sale. Okay, now what we are going to do is we want the VLOOKUP value. Okay, before that I will also put another replace with another country, which is Vietnam. 225, sales value is 225, so it works very fine. Or I will insert a list box here, data validation, then list box, and a full set of countries, and I click OK. Then you can see this list box appears here with any set of data, and the VLOOKUP will give the corresponding sales. Okay, any country you select, it will give sales. Okay, now how to replace this VLOOKUP with the SumProduct function? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, in the condition that the lookup return value is number. Okay, so I will explain to you how it works. I will show you how the SumProduct works. We have two arrays, array 1 and array 2. For example, the values are 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the what SumProduct is going to do is we pass array 1 and array 2, then SumProduct will multiply the corresponding elements, that is first element of array 1 with the first element of array 2, similarly second element of array 1 with the second element of array 2, and so on. Finally add all the products. That's why it is called SumProducts. Okay, I'll show to you how. First value of array 1 into first element of array 2 plus second. Okay, we will put it in this way. This into this. Similarly for the second element of array 1 into second element of array 2 into this. So total is sum of all these product values 122. Okay, let's see what is the SumProduct function brings. Array 1 comma array 2, it brings the same. Okay, this is the way the SumProduct works. But there is another beauty of the SumProduct function. The array 1 can be the arrays can be conditional operators. Okay, the array 1 can be a criteria. Okay, or array 2 can be a criteria. Any of these arrays can be criterias. Okay, this makes more flexible of SumProduct to check any condition as a internal criteria. Okay, I will explain to you how to work on SumProduct to return the okay, I will select a particular country's value, sales value. Okay, we will go to Albania. Okay, so I will explain the logic now, then I will go for a SumProduct function. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check every list, every country here, whether it is equal to Albania or not. How to do that? Equal to is a formula, the country name equal to the given country. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, instead of if condition, we can use it directly and get the true or false. This equal to is for this, it's a formula equal to. Okay, so enter is false. Okay, so we need to check every element here with the G3 element here. Okay, similarly for next one, I am shifting the formula, but it moves to G4, so I must put a $sign to let the Excel know don't change it according to the shifting, or don't change it relatively, just keep G3. So that one we need to put $G $3. Okay, so now you shift, it will keep G3 as it is, only this part, left hand side part, will shift A2, then it will change to A3. Okay, similarly for the whole set, when it comes to Albania, you can see the value is true, you see. So the other values are false. Okay, now this is we are checking whether it is equal to G3 or not, true or false. Okay, so we got to true or false. I want to change the false and trues to 0 and 1s. How can I do? False is 0 and true is 1. How can I get it? Very simple, use the double unary operator. It will change false to 0 and true to true is 1. Okay, so I put equal to double unary of this condition, automatically it changes to 0, but only true is 1. Okay, So the Albania, only Albania have the one value and the others are having 0. If I use this formula, what is the formula? Double unary of the condition. Okay, so if I have 1 for Albania, if I multiply this array with this array, what I will have? Product of this and this, like this, what I am doing here. Okay, this into this, I will have 0 except the Albania will have the sales value. Okay, so the product of this array and this array will have only Albania will be the sales value, the others are 0. Okay, if I sum it up these products, what I will have? Okay, I will have Albania's sales value. Okay, so the same logic I'm going to use it here. Okay, going to use it here for SumProduct function. How I'm going to use it? Just watch what I'm doing. Okay, SumProduct of array 1 is nothing but I'm going to do this 0 and 1s as array 1. Okay, or you can get sales as array 1. Fine, I will give sales. Okay, the whole set of sales is array 1. Okay, you can see here it goes beyond the string. I show to you. Just to show the function. I'll show you first. Just make it a screen visible. Okay, you can see the screen visible now. Some more. Okay, so what I am doing is SumProduct of first array is the sales array. Okay, just nice, I have the sales array. The second array, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this array this array 0 1 1s. Okay, how can I do that? I use the condition first and double unary. Okay, the condition is this country name array equal to the given value G3. Okay, this is the full condition. Okay, but it will come up with a true or false, set of true or false. So how I made it to 0 and 1s? By giving a double unary. Okay, I check for the full array of this with the G3 value. This is nothing but the country names. Okay, country name of array with the G3 value, whether it is true or false. Then it will return with the array of false and trues. Only for Albania it is going to be true, the others it is false. Okay, so it is false and trues. I change that one introducing double unary to 0 and 1s. Then it will be an array of 0 and 1s like this. Then I am I am multiplying array of 0 and 1s with the sales value, which I did it here. Okay, I send these two arrays, so the products will be like this. Then when it sums, automatically comes the 1921, which is Albania's sales value. So I just enter and see whether it comes 1921. Okay, so now I will check for another Vietnam 225. see, VLOOKUP and SumProduct comes the same value. Argentina 1120, Kuwait 3613. Okay, this way you can replace the VLOOKUP function with the SumProduct function. Okay, provided the value you return must be a number, sales or any number. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please give your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.